Hey everyone, it's me, Sherry. If you're new to my channel, then my name is Sherry, and if you like what you see, feel free to subscribe. I try to upload videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Also, if you want to hit the little notification bell, you will be notified when I upload new videos. So for today's video, I'm just going to do a relax tag video. I was going to do the limited edition tag, but I think I really need to look through my makeup and decide on stuff. It's not just like a spur of the minute type of tag, so I need to prepare more for that one, so maybe that one will come up later on. It's kind of a cool tag because it talks about some limited edition products, so, but I mean, at the same time, maybe I shouldn't do that because you can't buy a lot of those products anymore, so, like, so anyway, for today's video, I'm going to do the makeup mess tag. So I have the questions here in front of me, so if I'm looking down reading, then that's why. So question number 1 is, how often do you wash your makeup brushes and sponges? Probably not as often as I should. But I have a lot of brushes, and I take out one set at a time. And I use them for like a while, but then when they start, like I use like a makeup brush cleaner, like just as like spot cleaning in the like in between sometimes, or I'll use like a sock, the donut things for your hair, and I'll like squirrel off my brushes to get for color switches and stuff like that. But I probably wash them once every couple of weeks, like a deep cleaning, maybe sometimes a month or so. I'm kind of lazy, but then I can just always take out another set of brushes to use anyway in the meantime. So question number 2 is, how do you organize your makeup collection? Well, I have a IKEA desk, and it has 5 drawers on the side, and most of my makeup is in there. And then I do have some clear acrylic drawers that I have like lip products and eyeliners and mascara and stuff in. So that's basically how I organize it. Question number 3 is, do you put your makeup products away after you are done using them, or leave them out for tomorrow? I try to put everything away. I'm a little bit of have a little bit of OCD. I need to kind of put things in their places. I don't like to leave things out lying on my desk. Not to mention I have 2 cats, and Tigger especially likes to get up and knock stuff over, so I try to put everything away. Question number 4 is, loose or pressed powders? I like both, but lately I've been using loose powder to set my face, so I guess I'll say loose powder. Question number 5 is, do you ever fall asleep without taking your makeup off? Very rarely. Now, what I usually do if I'm gone out and I'm out late, I'll usually just use like a makeup remover wipe to get off what I can, and I'll go to sleep, especially if I was like drinking and stuff. I just want to go to bed by the time I get home, so I try to get at least most of it off, and then the next day I'll do really thorough cleaning. But that's about the most of makeup that I leave on my face. I really do try to get everything off that night. What was the next one? Question number 6 is, what makeup rules do you like to break? I don't really think there's any specific rules for people. You do your makeup how you want to do it. I don't follow rules. I just do what I want to do. What makeup? That's what I just read. Number 7 is, will you use a product even if it's cracked or broken? Yeah, I'll try to squish things back together with rubbing alcohol and stuff. So I'll try. Sometimes it's not always successful, but I will try. Do you wait to pan a product completely before you replace it? Usually, but I don't usually pan a lot of products, so because new things are always coming in that I forget about some of the older stuff. Number 9 is, how do you feel about sharing makeup? I'll share like eyeshadow, blushes, stuff like that, but like eyeliners, mascara, no. No. And lip products, I'm kind of iffy. It depends on the person. Question number 10 is, how do you feel about buying or trading used makeup? It depends on the person. It really depends on the person. I just usually, when I want something, I'll just usually go out and buy it myself. Like if I have the funds to do it, like if it's an expensive product, or if it's something I want, I'll save up for it or whatever. But it depends on the person. Like my friends and stuff, and my sisters, yes, but there's certain people that no. Question number 11 is how often do you declutter makeup? Probably every 3 months or so, because I get BoxyCharm every month or BoxyLuxe, and I'm just constantly getting new products in, and I feel like I'm constantly decluttering stuff every few months. Question number 12 is, do you use your fingers to apply makeup? Yeah, sometimes I still do. Sometimes I just feel like rubbing in foundation, or, well, I always use it for primers, but I feel like rubbing in foundation, sometimes it'll melt into your skin better. Question number 13 is, what products, if any, do you hand in your, do you hoard in your purse, bag, backpack, etc.? Probably lip products. Lip balm, lip gloss, lipstick. that stuff's all hoarded in there. Question number 14. What is your least favorite step in your makeup routine? Eyebrows. I usually don't do my eyebrows. Don't even look at my eyebrows because they still need to be waxed. Just things have been going on constantly that I still haven't gotten in to get my eyebrows waxed. Plus my hairdresser was away. I think she's finally back, so I gotta go get my eyebrows waxed. And last but not least, question number 15 is, what is your worst makeup memory? I don't think I have any. Couple times that I put on a full face of makeup and went out and forgot to put on mascara. Mascara just completes your look, so I would say that's probably my worst makeup memory. There's nothing worse than having a full face on and then not having lashes. Well, I mean having lashes, but not having defined lashes. Anyway, that is the makeup mess tag. I will tag a couple people down below and leave the questions as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye, everyone.